Are you tired of weak electricity that goes out at the slightest crackle of thunder?
No.
Do you want something more efficient?
I have no problem with my electricity.
Well, we have the energy source for you, hydrogen fuel cells.
This isn't me. No. No.
I'm here with Lightning McQueen to ask what are the real benefits of hydrogen fuel cells.
Well, the benefits of hydrogen fuel cells is that it causes no pollution, it's a good renewable resource, and it's also a good alternative energy source. It can be good for cars moving for a long period of time, and it saves more money than gas and diesel.
How do you feel about hydrogen fuel cells?
Why are you in my house?
Aren't they remarkable?
Can you please get out? Can you leave?
I can leave, but are you going to get yourself some hydrogen fuel
Can you
cells?
leave? The door's right there.
I'll see you next week.
The door.
So what about hydrogen production? Well, hydrogen does not exist on its own naturally and must be produced from other compounds that already contain it. When creating fuel cells with hydrogen, the power that is generated comes from chemical reactions as opposed to combustion like other forms of commercial energy.
So where can hydrogen be produced?
Well, so hydrogen can be produced in small portions as needed, as shown in the example behind me. This specifically is distributed production, and there's also centralized production and semi-centralized production. And this example with a car would be small-scale water electrolysis. Domestic resources like fossil fuels, renewable energies, and stuff like that, they all have their own process for producing hydrogen. So it's all specific to all of those energies.
What? What is this? Why am I watching this?
I'm here with Liberty. So tell me, Liberty, what are the various uses of hydrogen fuel cells?
Well, it can be used for rocket fuel. Hydrogen is also a non-polluting alternative fuel that can be produced using domestic resources. The energy in 2.2 pounds of hydrogen gas is the same as that in 1 gallon of gasoline. Hydrogen fuel cells will likely be used in stationary power devices and portable devices. Hydrogen fuel cells directly convert the chemical energy in hydrogen to electricity and release water and useful heat and byproducts. Stationary hydrogen fuel cells are the largest and most powerful fuel cells. These fuel cells are also used for backup and remote power applications, including remote weather stations and rural locations.
The energy that the hydrogen carries comes from heating natural gas, which means more energy is being wasted than produced and CO2 is released. Producing hydrogen fuel cells only reduces carbon pollution by less than 20%. There are no readily available reservoirs of hydrogen on Earth because they are locked in molecules. Leaks are very dangerous because compressed hydrogen is very flammable.
What is this?
What?